Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I went shopping a couple of days ago and this is the canning from yesterday. But I'm going to be water bathing some pineapple. So I'll wipe these down, put them on my shelves, then I'll have a bit of room to do something in here. The pineapple only needs water bath canning, so while I'm bringing water up to boil in my largest stock pot, I've got my jars in the bottom of it. Now to help stop clouding, I'm going to add a touch of vinegar. So while this is coming up to boil, and it'll boil for about 10 minutes, quarter of an hour with the jars in it, I'll be boiling up some of my tattle lids and I'll make the simple syrup once everything is ready to go, and I'll bring you over and show you what I'm doing now. As per usual, whenever I'm canning, I've got one of my trusty ball books, and this one tells me how much water and sugar put in to make a syrup. So I've got nearly 3 cups of water here, and to that I'm going to add about 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough, but I can always make some more. And I'm going to, yeah, the sugar stuck to the measuring cup because I measured the water up first. I'm going to slowly bring this up to a boil, stirring it all the time, and then it'll be ready for me to use. My jars are boiling away in there. They've had about 5 minutes. Gonna have a bit more as I'm going along. I'm boiling some water for my tattle lids, and this is for the sugar water for the pineapple. I've cut the pineapple up into chunks, and I will be putting it in here, letting it warm through, and then putting it in the jars. As it's going to be awkward for me, I'll just be showing you the end results, I think. Yeah, people are possibly wondering why I'm canning my own pineapples when I can buy tin pineapples. Basically because fresh pineapples don't last that long, and I hate the taste of tin pineapples. All I can taste is the tin. And so I thought, right, I'm going to start canning my own up. That way it'll preserve them, and I've got the amount that I want to use when I want it. The pineapples have had a few minutes in here, so they're all heated through. Let's get a jar out. Be careful when you're taking the water out that it does not go on you, because it's hot. You want about half an inch. You want about half an inch headspace. So and then the same of your it'll probably compact down a bit further. I apologise about the sneezes. I think I've got a cold coming. Check my headspace. It's not right, but I'll debubble and then adjust. Should have it now. Yeah, that's right. Wipe your rims. Because obviously the sugar water will really stop a good seal. So there's the rims done. Hot, hot, hot. That's it, a little bit more. And I'll go finish these off. I only got 7 half pints from those pineapples and 1 half pint of the syrup, so it balances out the stock pot. So now I'm going to bring it to a boil and process it for 15 minutes. I brought the water back up to a boil when I put these in, and then I'll let it boil for another 15 minutes. And they're now done. And I thought it was fairly apt for them to be cooling down on the pineapple placemats I've got. So, pineapples in jars on pineapples in placemats. Thank you. Bye.
It's a